Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Heidi. I'm completely blind, so I don't look directly at you, but I promise I'm right here with you. So welcome to the third episode of our end of year Middle Eastern series. I am so excited about this video because it includes a lot of fragrances that I like and I would love to share them with you. So today we are going to rank 4 fragrances in the Care line of Paris Corner, 3 fragrances in the Voo line of Paris Corner, and 7 fragrances in the Ministry of Gourmand line. So it's going to be a lot of rankings and I am so excited for it. Okay, so we are going to start with the Care fragrances. Move this box a bit away. So in 4th place is Care Pistachio. This is a pistachio cardamom fragrance. The pistachio really announces itself in the beginning and then it dries down to something very, very sweet, almost caramel-like. But this one smells a bit soapy on some people. On me, luckily, it doesn't. I love this fragrance. I love all of these 4 fragrances in the Care line. It's just that I find myself that I don't really reach for this one. And that's why I've put it in 4th place. Will I repurchase this one? I am not sure. I don't think so. I don't think so. So then it was extremely hard for me to decide on place number 2 and place number 3 because I love these 2 fragrances equally, but I had to make a choice. And I will tell you what I based my choice on. So this one in 3rd place is Care Confection. I know, right? This is one of my favorites. It's one of my favorites. It smells a bit like La Belle from Jean Paul Gaultier. And this was apparently inspired by Kayali Candy Rock Sugar. This is so nice. It's a beautiful scent. It smells like pear and vanilla, almost like a pear pie. It is candyish. It is really, really pretty. And I wear this often when I lecture. I love it. I love it. But I can't believe that. But this one is beating it. And this is Care Fusion. So this was inspired by apparently Eden Sparkling Lychee by Kayali. There's lychee in here. There's red apple in here. The longer I have it, the more I can smell that apple. To the tune that this is almost more apple heavy now to my nose than lychee. The reason why it kicked Care Confection to the 3rd spot is because of the compliments that I received. Really, guys? Yeah, okay, I'm probably superficial in that way, but that is why I love Care Fusion more, because I got so many compliments on this one last month, like I told you, and very strong compliments, like, wow, that is so great. So yeah, and it has excellent performance. I don't find that Care Confection has as good performance as Care Fusion. And then of course in the 1st spot is Care Felicity. This is very champagne-y, freesia, sugary fragrance. It's very bridal. Oh, it's so feminine. It's so beautiful. And remember when I unboxed it, I said it smells like a man's cologne. And funnily enough, one of you commented the other day that it smells to you the same. And I was so surprised and I couldn't get past that. And after a week or so, when I smelled it again, I was like, oh, but this is beautiful. So I don't know whether it just had to sit or whether I got used to it. I don't know. But this is a beautiful 10 out of 10 fragrance. And apparently this was inspired by Kayali, the Wedding Silk Santal. Okay, so these were then my Care fragrances. I'm just going to actually put them here on my chest of drawers, and then I'm going to bring out the Voo line. Right, so let's start with last. Last is Vu Zingy. I feel the same about this one as I felt when I unboxed it. It smells green. It smells super green. There's basil in here, there's lemon in here, there's bergamot in here. It is a very, I don't know guys, I don't like it. It almost smells a bit minty. I don't know, it smells herby, but not in a good way to me. It smells like freshly cut grass with... You smell the fresh cut grass and you eat a lemon and... It's just too green for me. I will definitely not repurchase this one, and I don't know if I will be able to wear it more. The one time I did, I really did not enjoy it. Okay, then next one, and it was again hard to decide between this one or the number one. This one is Vu Patisserie. And there's cardamom in here. There's, I think there's orange in here, or blood orange. There's also bergamot and vanilla, I think. But this one just smells very much like a dessert. It smells... Oh, it smells so good. It is so hard to explain. I don't get that cardamom strongly, but it smells like you've walked into a bakery. And guys, if you spray this one in your house, in a room, just do it if you have it, and go and smell what it smells like when it hangs in the air. It is so good. It is edible. It is extremely nice. I never know if this bottle should come this way or this way around. Not sure. Okay, and then obviously the first one is Vu Zest. This is lavender, caramel, bergamot. There's orange in here, but it smells like lemon. It is apparently was inspired by Joff's Lyra. It is a beautiful fragrance. I really pick up on the lavender in here. I can really smell that lavender and that lemon, but it smells like this sophisticated lemon to my nose. I think it's that lavender that gives it that sophistication. It's beautiful. Lemony, caramelly, and lavender. I will 100% repurchase this one, and I think Vu Patisserie as well. Really, 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 really love this. Now, let's go to the Ministry of Gourmand. I'm so excited for that. Just the name, you know, the name. I love the name, Ministry of Gourmand. What could be better? Okay, so I'll just have to smell and tell. Let me see. Oh, I've arranged this terribly. Okay. So, in last place, oops. And this was not a difficult choice, is Cake Temptation by, obviously, Ministry of Gourmand. So, this one smells very nice, just out of the bottle, to my nose at least. Apparently there's fruity notes in here. It just says fruity notes, red fruity notes, and fruity notes, top, mid, and bottom. But, so imagine... you are eating a cheesecake, a fridge cheesecake, you know, with those sort of soury smell almost. And you spill some of that cheesecake on you. And you go and sit a bit in the sun. That is what it smells like. I put it on the other night and I thought, oh, this smells good. This smells good. And when I went, it was just before I went to bed, I climbed into bed and I thought, wait, but this smells like vomit. And guys, you might be surprised to know that I don't want to smell like that. Like sour milk, and I don't know, this just, no guys, no. I will not repurchase this one. I will give it another try, but for now, it's a hard no. Okay, in 6th spot. So guys, number 6, 5 and 4 was very difficult for me to decide on because I like them. No, actually it was number 6 and 5 that was difficult for me to decide on the order, but I had to decide an order. Let me just, yeah. So this one is Mango Yugoso. I know, right? Look just how this bottle is high quality. It's so heavy. This has mango and melon and orange, pineapple, I think. And it smells very sweet, but also very fresh, very bright, very juicy. Very juicy, and I love it. I love it. The only thing is on my skin, it becomes quite, it starts leaning more towards the lemon and it becomes quite screechy in a way. I've had this one I think for 2 months now, so I will give it more time. It does smell good. I don't think I'm a mango person, I've come to realize. So you might really like this one. Some people really rave about this one, but it's just not for me. Oh, do we have a cat visiting us again? Number 5 is Choco Cold. Now, Choco Cold is a very, very nice chocolate fragrance. It is a fresh chocolate fragrance, so not thick and gooey, and no, this is chocolate with a bit of coconut and with some orange, so it's really fresh and it's really lovely. And I think I will even repurchase this one, but someone had to be at number 5, right? It is exquisitely nice because it's a different chocolate. I haven't smelled any chocolate like this before. Oh, very good. Very, very good. Then we've got Strawberry Pound Cake. Let me just get the bottle. Strawberry Pound Cake. And this is, I always say it smells a bit like a strawberry daiquiri, but if it has very thick syrup in there, if there's very thick syrup in that strawberry daiquiri, let me just see if the cat is not there. Okay, no. Very sweet and sticky and syrupy strawberry. That is what it is. There's also a milkiness to it, so it's almost a mix between Nesquik and strawberry daiquiri. It smells very girly, very pink. I really like it. This can at times also go a bit in a sour direction. I just have to, just a word of caution. I do think I will repurchase this one, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure about Choco Cold and this one, whether I will. But when I wore this one, I think it was in September, I couldn't put it down. Very fluffy. Okay. So then we have 3 left. We have 3 left. We have 3 left. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so this is Creamy Biscuit. Now, guys, I love. Did I say love? I love Creamy Biscuit. I really love it. This is biscuit, there's coconut in here. I don't necessarily pick up on coconut. What I get is more a nuttiness, like a macadamia nut or something. It smells to me like you have baked biscuits and it's currently in the oven and you get this whiff of biscuits, but there's also nuts in there. That's what it smells like. It's so good. It's so good. I think some people will find this very synthetic. I love it. 100% will repurchase this. My one friend, when she smelled it, she still talks of this. She just wanted to buy herself this one immediately. Okay, the last 2 was really difficult for me. Really, really. I had to sit and really think a bit about which one it should be. And I still am conflicted, but I have to go with one. And I'm going to go in second place with Tiramisu Speculoos. Oh, this is magic. So one of you said rightfully so, it's quite rich and heavy, and definitely it is. But you know, okay, so first let me say there's cinnamon in here. You can smell the cinnamon. It smells like a sweet cinnamon. There's coffee in here. There's the vanilla in here. The thing is, this fragrance makes me feel even a bit emotional because there's some memory, scent memory attached to this one, which I'm not 100% sure. I can't tell you for certain which memory it is. All I know is it must have been one of my grandmothers or perhaps one of my mom's older friends, but who used to bake and whose house smelled like this. So it makes me think of when I was young. It makes me somehow think of my grandparents, just because of, you know, when you come into someone's house and they've just baked something very sweet, they've just baked a cake, you know, that sort of cozy, welcoming, comforting thing. That's what it brings up for me. But what it smells like to me is almost like what they call in the Netherlands, like I said before, stroopwafels, which is this sort of biscuity baked thing with syrup in the middle. Is it cinnamon or caramel? Why can't I remember? But this also makes me think of, I mean, I visited the Netherlands once, of going into one of those shops where you can drink coffee and, you know, you smell the baked goods, and it's just, it's so comforting to me, and so, yeah, it is just, oh, it makes me think of childhood and, yeah, walking into this bakery, or it makes me think of being abroad as well. Oh, I love it. I really love it, guys. It's so difficult to convey exactly what I'm smelling here, but it is very good. Very, very good. And then, of course, then in first place, oh, and I will definitely repurchase it. And luckily, I accidentally bought two of them. When the order arrived, there was two of these. There were two of these, and I was like, oh, okay, well, I hope I like it. And then luckily I did. And then, of course, lastly is Coconut Lagoon. That is probably no surprise. This smells like a coconut mojito. It has watermelon, lemon, coconut. I cannot say enough good things about Coconut Lagoon. It is sweet. It is lemony. It is fruity. It's coconutty. It is just so beautiful. You can't go wrong with it. You can't go wrong. So the only three on this list that I really know that I will repurchase is Creamy Biscuit, Tiramisu Speculoos, and Coconut Lagoon. That has been it. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Let me know, do you have any of these fragrances? I would really want to get Banana Bliss as well, which is the last one, not the last one, but the only one I don't have of the Ministry of Gourmand. And yeah, I would want to include that to my collection. My cat is meowing. What's wrong? Fuzzy? His name is actually Sergeant Fuzzy Boots, but he's just fuzzy. Okay, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Thank you for your support, and I will see you on Monday. Bye for now.